The back and forth movement of this roller brush is part of a much larger solution to keep the Sunset Heights Reservoir in service for decades to come.
Here at the Sunset Pump Station site, we have two 4 million gallon tanks. They're both built in the 1920s and serve a real important role in how we distribute water.
Plans to upgrade the 100-year-old reservoir were expedited after a 5.0 earthquake in Mentone, Texas on March 26. The tremors were felt in the Sun City, causing existing wear and tear in this decades-old facility to worsen.
We were able to drain the tank so we could see the extent of the damage. We saw that there was a lot of cracks, and the cracks were large enough that you would have tree roots and large roots coming into the tank itself.
The solution? This carbon fiber wrap that will strengthen the concrete tanks. This technique is relatively new for rehabilitating larger El Paso water structures. It's an innovative approach to reinforce steel that is weakened by corrosive environments.
The best way to think about it is like when athletes wrap their ankles with tape, right? So it gives it additional support, makes it tighter, and it holds the ankle in place so they could still move, but it makes it a lot more sturdier.
First, the cracks are sealed with cement grout, concrete, or a high-strength mortar coating. The carbon fiber is rolled out and cut into individual pieces. The material is applied to the floor, walls, and pillars of the tank. A thick, clear resin is poured and brushed on.
But once they apply it, it starts to harden, and that's the way you gain the strength. At the molecular level, it interacts with the concrete and attaches itself to it so that it could form a nice bond to it.
An estimated 100,000 square feet of carbon fiber material and 3,500 gallons of resin will be used once this rehabilitation is complete.
Because the tanks were from the 1920s and were in need of a lot of repair, we felt that the best technology out there to repair these tanks was the way to go. So we feel we'll get 50 years or more out of using this product.